Imagine stepping into a grand concert hall in the 1880s. The lights dim, a curtain rises, and the full orchestra begins to play, violins soaring, trumpets blaring, drums thundering in perfect time. But when you look at the stage, there's not a single musician in sight. What you're hearing is an orchestrion, a mechanical marvel that's about to change how we think about music, technology, and even the future of computing. This isn't science fiction. It's a forgotten chapter of our technological past.
Behind every moment lies a scientific wonder. I'm Kale, and welcome to SciCurios, where curiosity meets science.
Before Spotify, before vinyl records, even before the first radio broadcast, these incredible machines were the original pioneers of recorded sound. They were the ultimate home entertainment systems of their day, complex automatons designed to reproduce the sound of an entire orchestra with breathtaking precision. But how did they work? It's a story of genius engineering, intricate craftsmanship, and a surprising link to the very first computers. At the heart of these mechanical orchestras were devices like pinned cylinders and punched paper rolls. Think of them as the 19th century version of code. Each pin on a rotating cylinder or hole in a paper roll corresponded to a specific musical note, duration, and instrument. As the cylinder turned or the paper fed through the machine, these points would trigger a series of levers, valves, and hammers. These mechanical signals controlled everything. They opened valves to send pressurized air from massive bellows into pipes, creating the sounds of flutes, clarinets, or trumpets. They struck strings with felted hammers to play the piano, or hit drums and cymbals to provide rhythm. It was a symphony of clockwork, pneumatics, and acoustic ingenuity. Each piece of music was meticulously programmed onto these rolls or cylinders by a master arranger, who had to translate a complex musical score into a physical, mechanical language. One of the most famous examples is the Hupfeld Finalist Violina, an absolute masterpiece of mechanical engineering. This machine didn't just play a piano. It featured 3 actual violins, held in place and played by a circular bow. A sophisticated system of mechanical fingers would press down on the strings to change the notes, while the bow spun continuously, moving to engage the correct string at the perfect moment. The result was a hauntingly beautiful, eerily human-like performance, all without a single musician. These machines weren't just novelties. They were the pinnacle of precision engineering. They required a deep understanding of acoustics to ensure the instruments sounded authentic, and advanced mechanical knowledge to coordinate hundreds, sometimes thousands, of moving parts in perfect sync. The punched paper rolls they used were a direct precursor to the punched cards that would power early computers a century later. The idea of storing information, in this case music, on a readable, physical medium was a revolutionary concept that laid the groundwork for modern data storage. So why did these magnificent machines disappear? The rise of the phonograph and radio in the early 20th century offered a simpler, cheaper way to bring music into the home. These mechanical giants were expensive to build, difficult to maintain, and eventually fell out of fashion, becoming relics of a bygone era. Today, only a handful of these orchestrions survive, lovingly restored in museums and private collections around the world. But their legacy is far more than just a historical curiosity. They represent a pivotal moment when art and automation converged. They show us that the dream of capturing and replaying a perfect performance is not a new one. These mechanical orchestras were the first to turn music into data, to transform a fleeting moment of artistic expression into a permanent, repeatable program. They are the true forgotten ancestors of the digital world we live in today. The next time you stream a song on your phone, take a moment to remember these Clockwork symphonies. They are a testament to human ingenuity and a reminder that the path to the future is often built on the forgotten dreams of the past. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this journey into music's hidden history, don't forget to like and subscribe for more stories.
Science is everywhere if you just know where to look. Thanks for watching SciCurious. Until next time.